You are currently the only person in this conference.
Hello.
Hello.
Deep, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, where are you?
I'm not sure. I think it's like they're waiting. I'm so the usual timing for the class is always at like 5.
Today, yeah, if you want, I can make it 4 to 5, 4 to 6. I mean,
No, like that's what like the timing is there on the on like learn pitch.
let me see what they have mentioned. 4 to 5, yeah, 4 to 5. Do a favor to me from tomorrow, from next class onward, just remind me 5 minutes before.
Okay.
I'll start on the time because
So I should remind you at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
No, 4.
4.
Remind
Okay.
me.
Okay.
4, yeah. 4, 350, 350. 350 will
Okay.
work with me. Yeah. Oh, let me call them. Mhm. Where are the kids? Other Sandeep is here. Praveen is not there. Let me properly. How's your studies going on?
Yeah, it's going good.
I mean, you are doing bachelor's or master's?
Bachelor's.
From where?
I'm studying in this Australian university.
Mm-hmm.
It's called University
Mm,
of Hong Kong.
in computer science,
Engineering.
computer engineering. Okay. And you are in third year or second year?
I
Final,
am in my fourth year actually.
final year. Okay, okay. Right. Okay, fine. Any specific reason to go with the Odoo? There are so many things. People are doing I mean, AI, ML. What is the purpose of I was just curious.
For Odoo. Okay,
Mm.
so that's what I think. Like my cousins, they are working in this company, but like they're not doing Odoo. But like they told me that like there's a lot of like demand for it right now because it's pretty like it's getting recognition now.
From where? Which country?
In no, in India, in Tamil, they are in Coimbatore.
They are in Coimbatore.
Yeah,
Okay.
so they were telling me like, oh, like in Odoo, there's a lot of like opportunities now. So that's why.
Mm,
And also, like I was like my in my final year, like I had a holiday, so I thought like I'll just do it.
okay. As a job, yeah, true. It's there are a lot of opening, and the people are going good starts when they're going for the Odoo. But when it comes to a time, there is a situation, and when when it comes to the like pitching or going for the business. Just a second. Sai, where are you? Hmm. Where are you? Classes? Oh, okay, let me remind. Let me do one thing. I will start inventory today. Go through the recording. If there issue, then I will take tomorrow one more class on Google Meet. Fine. Hmm. कोई बात कोई बात नहीं सुनो 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 पर साईं कल मैं क्लास ले लूंगी आपका कल अनदर स्टूडेंट विल बी एब्सेंट दो मैं आपका 2 आवर्स क्लास ले लूंगी और आप दोनों का जो भी कवर कराना हो करा दूंगी ठीक है मैं four but there is a condition you have to remind me 5 minutes before बहुत सारी चीजें रहती है मैं खुद ही मतलब हाँ बहुत सारी चीजें वन 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 बैचेस रहते हैं ऊपर से खुद का कुछ प्रोडक्ट भी कर रही हूँ मैं कुछ चीजें थोड़ी सी ना हाँ चलो फिर चलो ठीक है टुमारो 3:50 पे रिमाइंड करना दिस इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ओके चलो फिर बाय बाय या दे आर नॉट कमिंग टुडे ओके इट्स ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन yeah hope my screen is audible visible hope my screen is visible today I was just planning to start with the inventory module and this is one of the most important modules in the Odoo. This is a dashboard of the inventory module. Before going inventory module, let me cover some basics, like how to create the company warehouse location, inventory locations. If you go here in the users and company, like here you can see there is option of the companies to create the company. And if you want to create a new company, you click here new and fill all the information which is required to create the company. After company creation, uh, right now we are in the company San Diego, my company San Diego. Then no, my
And so
company
all
San
of this will
Francisco.
be connected, yeah? Like all these companies are connected, right?
No, no, it's not sure. I mean, it depends. Like, if companies are not connected, there may be branches of the companies. Then, in case if there are multiple branches, suppose this is my company Chicago, and my company San Francisco. They are in the different companies. Then this is Chicago is a branch of the my company, and you can consider San Francisco is a another branch of my company. If you go here, you click here general information, company name, and yeah,
Okay.
it's
No,
not
but
necessary.
like,
It should be
I'm
connected.
talking like in real life, like
Mm-hmm.
if I was like if I was working somewhere and then they're giving me like different like companies to work with, I can make it in the same database or I have to create new database for each
You
different
can make in the same database. You can make in the same database.
so here itself I can like do how many ever companies I want and I can
Yeah,
customize for them.
yeah. But ideally, I mean, everything is integrated. Like site, company name, everything is integrated. In the most like, suppose there is a company with the name ABC. Okay, and they this company have the different branches within the with different states. So as per the rule, government policy, if a company is registered in the different states, then they all will have the different GST number. And it depends on the implementation, like uh, what the data they are going to share. Like if they are sharing the same account in the terms of bank account, or they are sharing the same chart of account, all these things, it totally depends on the integration part. But if you want to create the different companies in the same database, you can create, right?
Okay.
When we make a blank database,
But
when we
then
make
everything else will be like same, no? I can't do that, yeah.
sorry.
Like if like everything else, like other modules will be the same. Like if I create a different company,
Hmm.
then my product and my manufacturing purchase, everything will be connected to that also, yeah.
No, we can set on the data in which company that particular data is visible.
Oh,
If you remember, when we were creating the products, there was an option at the bottom of the product visible to. And if we select a particular company, like, let me cover for this particular query, let me show to you. But
yeah, yeah, I remember
after
we can
that
choose
we will,
which
yeah.
company.
Yeah, we after that we I will finish my I'm the thing which I have to teach, and after that we will go for the question answer. Okay. Suppose this is go for the manufacturing data. I want to access the data. Then products. If you select any product, yeah, this you can see here visible to all this particular product, or visible to particular single company. If here I have put visible to all, means this particular product is visible to the all the company. But if I restrict here visible to this company, then this product will be available to this company only.
Yeah, yeah, understand.
Yeah, that is the second. What was it like? If we go to the setting, you can see users and company. Here we can, if we want to create the company, we can create company from the here and all the things. So what is the name of your company? If you have the registered GST number of the particular company, or if you type the name of the start typing the name of the company, if it is available on the net or with the valid registration number, then we, when we start the typing name of the company, it will automatically fetch all the data. So can you tell me example of any company in UAE?
Any company
Yeah, nearby any
uh,
company.
nearby, there is Microsoft.
Microsoft, apart from Microsoft, something like this. Like if we have the already existing company like Micro Expo, then when we select Micro Expo, everything with regarding the Micro Expo available on the net will be displayed here. If only we have the GST number of any company, if I put here any GST number of any company, uh, just a second.
Oh, so this is like public information.
Hmm. Yeah, based on the GST number, it will fetch all the information. Clear?
Yes.
Now, in a typical scenario, one company is registered like suppose there is a one company with the Chroma campus, and that is one branch is in India, another branch is in the UAE. In that case, they don't need to create the another company in UAE. What we do in the mapping, we just need to go to the branches and no and add a line and hmm, need to go to the branches, add a line, and you just put the information here like Chroma campus, save and close. Then you can see the branches of the Chroma campus in the, and I mean we need to go here and fill all the other related information, other information related to the Chroma campus UAE branch. Ideally, if you have the same, if you have a registered company in India, or so it is working, I mean, as per government rules, you have another branches in the UAE or Singapore. Where it doesn't matter which place, you just need to add a branch, and depending on the branch, what you have selected, like this Indian company is operating in the INR, and in the company which is in the UAE is operating in the Dinam, then you can put here you when you're going to like fetch the information, you can fetch the location, you will this currency will be automatically updated.
Okay.
Everything it will fetch from the data available on the net. Everything it will be fetch like logo and branches, not branches, logo and other information also. If there is a branches, then when I'm searching here, let me cancel it. When there is branches, like when I'm searching here, uh, new like Microsoft, it will display like Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Hyderabad, all the branches with the name will display here. Similar will happen in the case when we are going to register the branches. Clear?
Yeah.
This is all about the company. For a particular company, like suppose we are in the my company San Francisco, and if you see here, the this is my company, and so we are in the my company San Francisco. Then we, for a particular company, by default Odoo will create a warehouse. Okay, and if you want to create more warehouses, you can add for this is by default, like when you create a company, there will be only one warehouse. When you will load demo data, there will be only one. By default, when you create a company, by default one warehouse will be created by Odoo. Clear? Suppose after creating the database in Odoo, by default you will have only one company name, and the warehouse associated with that company name will be automatically provided by Odoo. When you are going to load the dummy data, it will create the three companies and warehouse related to all the three companies. I mean, three default warehouses will be created. Clear? If you
So
want to, as per your business requirement, it depends on the business requirement, like how many warehouses a particular business will have. In certain cases, suppose there is a company which is in the Noida, headquarters is in the Noida or Delhi, and it has multiple branches in the different states. One branch is in the UP, one branch is in the Kerala, something like that. In that cases, uh, if you want to create a separate warehouse for all the places, you can have the separate warehouse. If you want to make the process in such a way that there is only one central warehouse and all the other branches are linked to that warehouse, that is also possible. In fact, if you want to have warehouses in the same city, you know, then you can also create the same warehouses. As many number of the warehouses you want to create, you are free to create in the Odoo. Fine. Like in this, you see here Chroma Campus one warehouse. This is the by default, which is created by when I created the warehouse. It was created. Yeah, this is. Now, if you go to the warehouse setting, you can see there are multiple steps like receive, uh, inventory. Routing of the inventory can be done in the multiple way, depending on the flow of the business. Like you want to configure your warehouse in such a way. Let me make sheet is visible.
yeah.
There are three terms used in the warehousing and routing: one way, two way, and third is three way. One way means in each company there is a mother warehouse. Suppose our company name is Chroma Campus. The by default one warehouse will be created by the system. Then what we want to do, we want to manage our warehouse management in such a way that when we receive if I say one way means there is only one place in that warehouse, and that is warehouse stock. Stock is the place where all the goods are kept. The final where main inventory, where all the things are stored is a stock. Okay, this is the default. If I say, if I want to make a flow of the business one way means, in this case there will be only one position, one location in your warehouse, that is your stock. If I say two way means, before going to the stock, your inventory will first go to the input location. And after that it will go to the stock location. Clear? And then it go to the, if I say three way, in that case we the before going to the stock, there will be two more places where the goods will be moved or internal transfer will take place. That is, one will be input, second will be your quality, and third will be your stock. Clear? And this is your three way. When I will show the movement of the stock, it will make you more clear. First, one way, two way, three way. These three terms are clear to you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't,
One
I
way.
don't what does this mean? I understood what this means, but what is this used for? Like when I'm in a company, I'm purchasing, I'm getting a stock for someone or something.
No, I will explain it. First, just try to understand what I'm saying. Meaning of one way, two way, three way. One way means, simply keep in this mind. Then when I will explain the flow, everything you will get very easily. One way means everything. There is a suppose you have a factory, and in the factory some operational work is going on the first floor, and there is a big store on the ground floor, and you are saying that is our stock where the goods are kept. Okay, and that good maybe the goods received from the vendor, or that may be the goods manufactured by you and you have to send to the vendor, so send to the client. Stock means there is only, for now, only a room in your only the store room in your factory where all the physical goods are kept. Clear?
Yeah.
When I say two way means, suppose that store is divided into two parts. There are two places on your ground floor where the stocks are kept. First is the input place, and second in the stock place. Means before going to the stock place, the things are kept at some place which is input, and like when you are receiving from the vendor, it's not going directly to the stock. Before going to the stock, it is received somewhere. You can say it is received at your gate of the company. Clear? For now, you can you can imagine that input is a location where, like, whenever someone delivers the parcel, there is a guard on the gate, and who is taking the parcel, and it's with the guard. It's not going to directly, it's not kept in the safe place of the stock, it's somewhere outside the stock. Clear?
Yeah.
When I say three way means stocks is received from the vendor. Okay, then input location, stock is received at the input location. After input, stock is transferred to the some area where quality control is going on. It will be checked there. If it is everything fine, fair enough, everything fine, everything is fine, if everything is good, it can go to the stock. Then it will be go to the stock. Otherwise, it will be either sent to the location configured in your warehouse as a dead stock, or it will be sent again back to the vendor. Clear?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. That is important on this. Now, suppose like this is the Chroma campus short. This is the warehouse name. Short name is WH warehouse. Where this warehouse? It is in the company My Campus, San Francisco. Okay. Shipment, and there are two things: shipment and outgoing. Shipments is divided into two parts based on the operation, which type of the things it is doing. Incoming shipment means the things which is coming to your factory, that the thing which is coming from the vendor. Outgoing shipment means the thing you are supplying to the customer. Clear? Incoming shipment and outgoing shipment is clear.
Yeah.
Incoming shipment means the vendor is sending something to you, the raw material, and outgoing shipment means you process that raw material and again you are sending it back to the customer. Then that is outgoing shipment. When I'm saying incoming shipment can be also of the three types. There may be three routing of the shipment, that both type of the shipment, incoming and outgoing, that is receive one way, one step, two step, and three step. In one step incoming shipment, you will receive the shipment and directly store to the warehouse stock location. Clear?
Yeah.
If you are saying outgoing shipment, then when you are sending things back to the you are sending supplying something to the customer, then from your stock it will directly go to the customer. Clear? Now if I say ship there is a one way incoming shipment. Let me save this. If you notice here, like, okay, if you notice here, there are some more there are, yeah, this is one way, two way, three way. As I explained you, one way means directly coming to the stock. Two way, it's coming to the input from the vendor. It is coming to the input vendor to input to stock. Three way means vendor to input to quality to stock. Clear?
Yeah.
In short, we say one way, two way, or step, both are the same. I mean, in the vendor to the out input to the quality to the stock. If I say incoming, receive and store means it's from the vendor to the stock, the warehouse stock. Then outgoing shipment, if I say deliver, then stock to the vendor. Clear? If I say two way, then vendor to the input to the stock. If I say two way, two step outgoing shipment means pick then deliver from main warehouse, from main manufacturing unit. It is placed somewhere in the middle, from stock to place it somewhere else, and from there sent to the vendor. Okay. If I say three-way incoming shipment, this receive the product or raw material, something, anything, from the vendor to the input, then and from input to the send to the quality control, and then from quality control to send to the stock. Clear? For this, pick from the stock, pack somewhere else, and do the quality check before delivering to the before delivering, then deliver. Now all these three terms are clear in both respect, incoming shipment or outgoing shipment.
Yeah.
Terms is clear. Now I have said that uh, uh, sorry, from one step, like suppose we are going to create a purchase order. Sorry, let's go to the purchase order, new, and vendor is Aka Foster, and add a product, add something, then quantity, then quantity, then send by email. You will process now all the, I mean, send by email, print RF. This is your quotation copy. Confirm order. I'm directly going to confirm order. Now receive product. You can see here, receive from the Aka Foster to the warehouse stock. Receive from the vendor and send to the stock. Clear? One step.
Mm.
Now, how it will enter in the stock? Tell me how it will enter in the stock after
For
validating. Yeah,
yeah.
I have validated. Then this product is received from the Eka Foster and it's now in our stock. You can see here it says showing green, means we have this 10 number is in our stock. Okay, if you go to the inventory operations, receipts, you are receiving from the vendor and copy this purchase order, then you can see movement directly here. Reference from partner vendor to stock. Contact Aka Foster. Clear?
Yeah.
Sai, there is one more. Praveen,
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
clear. I think you joined late. I mean, are we are at the same line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't notice you. I thought you're not going to join now. Then, if you track it, you can see it's coming from the vendor to the stock location. Clear? If I say that particular inventory, particular warehouse is two-way. If I say receive then store, now I am making it two steps and I save. Fine. And let's go to the purchase module and create one more purchase order, new, and suppose this time same vendor, okay, and same product, uh, yeah, and let's take 20 quantity. Fine. We are going, this time we are going to buy 20 laptops from the Eka Foster. Then first we will, if this is your, this is our purchase order number, okay, purchase order generated for the, let's duplicate the tab, and if you go here in inventory module and go to the reporting, no sorry, operation and receipts, and you type here that purchase order, this is blank. Clear? Both, I need confirmation. This is little bit tough for the beginners. This
Yes.
you can't find any receipt for this purchase order because we have just
Well,
created the request for quotation now for the 20 laptops. Now I'm going to confirm the order. Now here you can see I confirm the order water will come from the Eka Foster to my place. And still, if I'm checking here, the same purchase order, it's in a ready state. I confirm. When I confirm, initially it was blank. When I confirm, it is showing ready state. Means I haven't received in my received from the vendor, and from the vendor it will go to the input location. Now, if you see here in the case of the two steps, from vendor it will come to the input location, and after input it will go to the stock. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then if you see here, now I'm going to receive the product. If I check here again, still in the ready from partner position to the input. It's not done. I will validate. Now if you see here, transfer order, and copy this purchase order, you see here you can say here two receipts are created. One is from the when I'm saying it's two-way, two receipts are created. One is from the input partner location to the input. Partner location to the input. One is from the vendor to input. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is done. I have validated. This is done. Now what will happen? It will go from the input to the stock. There will be some, we have taken this from the vendor, but it is in our company and at the two different locations. Clear? Then
Yes,
if,
ma'am.
yeah, this is done and we are still waiting for that. Then I will go here and say receive from Weka Foster to input. This is done. Now next transfer. If you see here, it's still ready. When I validate it here and check here, refresh it, or simply cancel this and type it again, it will be automatically refreshed. Done. Now two step is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Sai, Praveen, first one step was clear to you. Did you go went through the things which I explained, or I need to show it again to you?
No, ma'am. I am from the starting of the class. I'm
Oh,
listening everything.
it's okay. Okay, now if I say three steps, now this is from the input, source location is input and destination location is stock. Now if I say let's go for the three step inventory and configuration warehouses. If you see here, three steps. Clear? What will happen in three step? You will receive from the vendor, it will go to the input. Yeah, vendor scene is now over here. Now you have to manage stock between this and this location. You have to manage movement of the stock between all these three locations. We have enabled three steps now. Yeah, save and go back and again create a purchase order. Purchase order, new. This time let me take any other company. Search more. Anwar. Let me take the Anwar. He was my favorite student. Yeah, and Anwar, we are going to buy what? We are going to buy CCTV camera. Let's buy CCTV camera from the Anwar. Okay.
And to
Nay,
get that thing, do
that
we have to enable some setting?
yeah, yeah. We that was setting part, which I was showing 1, 2, 3 step. That was setting part only.
No, no, no. Like to get that 1, 2, 3 itself. Because for me, I can't. When I go to warehouses and like open
Let
a
me finish
warehouse,
my. Then I will check your database. Let me finish this flow. Now, suppose we are again going to buy 15 laptop. This is our purchase order. Now go to the receipt and type this purchase order. You can't see anything. I haven't done anything. And then I will confirm the order. Yeah. Again, nothing will happen here. It is three-way. There should be the three transaction, three type. There should be the three type of receipts will be created here.
Yes, miss.
Then what it is saying from just receive from the partner vendor in one step. First step, receive from the partner vendor to the our input. Clear? Now I will receive the product. Again it will be same like ready. It will, if I refresh, it will be in only ready only state. If I validate, then this step will be done. Let me show you. Now still ready. Now validate and check. If you see here, we can see this step is done from vendor to input location. This step is done from vendor to input. This step is, these two steps are done. Clear? Kai. Now what, again we have to do the transfer from, we have received product from the onward to, and now it's in our now it's in the input location. Then we need to transfer. When we are going to do transfer means this person Eka Foster, he may be the he or she may be the employee of the company. He is taking the responsibility of the transfer of the product from input to quality control. Okay, there is a thought, so, this is something. If there is some receipt, something, anything is uh, quality alert, anything which is done here, which is configured here, yeah, anything where the signature of the person needs, who is responsible for the transferring, counting and transferring from product from one location to another location. If there is any mismatch, people will catch Eka Foster. This was your responsibility. This contact is responsible for input to quality control transfer. If there any formality in between, either it can be counting of the item, or can be signature on the paper, or it can be checking of the warranty card, everything will be taken care by the Eka Foster. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you see here, one is done, then from partner vendor to input is done, then input to quality has to be done. Then it will be done when I will validate. Now I validated, and if I click here and go here, and you can say here who is responsible here.
Dr.
Eka
Foster.
Foster. What Eka Foster has done? Transfer from the input. Input you can consider at the gate of your company to the quality control. Something is coming to your company. What you will do? First, you will check the quality.
Yes.
Yeah, the person sitting on the gate, guard of the gate, he is in the input location, but the person who is responsible to pick from the guard and take this to the quality control is the Eka Foster. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the eka foster, what she has done from source to destination quality, then from quality to it should be included in the stock. After quality check, it should be goes to the stock, then quality to stock, that will be here. If I say next transfer, and when I will validate it from quality control to stock, then if I refresh here, clear, all three steps are done. Now the one step, two step, three step difference is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Some people say one step, two step, three step, and some people say one way, two way, three way. In the short, it's up to the convenient, but you have to, I mean, you have to feed in your mind ki they will not follow the convention which is written over here in the Odoo. They may say one way, two way, three way. Clear?
Sure, ma'am.
Now, similar thing will happen in case of uh, um, similar thing will happen in case
Outing,
of
outgoing.
outgoing. If we are here in the warehouses, warehouse stock, let me make this fine. Incoming shipment is one way, and this delivery is one way. Clear?
Sales.
Yeah, sales. We need to create. We if we have to send something out from the company, then we need to create the sales. Okay. Right now, let me select the customer, Azure interior, and we have enough laptop. It was laptop, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let's say two quantity only. Okay. And then we will do all the steps like send by email, send pro forma invoices. Then we will. This is our sales order, and let's go to the sorry, inventory operations, deliveries. Then copy the sales order here. Initially, it's null, zero. Then confirm.
Confirm.
After confirm, what will happen? Customer is this, invoice is this, and delivery address is this. GST treatment overseas, it's taking overseas. Okay, fine. Yeah. Then you can see here a delivery is created and check availability, validate, close. Purchase order is created. Okay, okay, fine. Let's acquire first. PC product, validate.
Well,
We are done. We have done the purchase. Now we need to get to the sales order and delivered and delivery. And then this is our like yeah, we have already copied. Then validate. If you see here, click
it's
from
done.
stock to customer. Done. One step is done. Now let's go to the two steps. Inventory, uh, uh, warehouses, stock, incoming in one step, and delivery in two steps. Final, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Then let's create another sales order and new customer, any customer, Azure interior. Again, we are sending the laptop only. How much quantity? Right now, 5 quantity.
Okay.
Clear? Then let me copy the sales order. Copy. Then confirm. One purchase order is created. Then confirm order. Further for receive product. Now validate. Now it's in our stock. From receiving from the Anwar and it's in the stock in one step. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I will go here and I will find this sales order. It's in the ready.
Ready.
We have received the stock. Now sales order delivery validate. If you see here, where how stocks input is done, and now from output to the customer location, it has to be done. Then we will do from source location stock to output. If you see here, oh, I haven't drawn that. Yeah, it is it clear? I mean, what I want to say in the
Yeah,
case
ma'am.
of
Yeah, we are getting that in the place of input we are having here for delivery it's out.
yeah, there will be step like in here out and stock and out, from stock to out. Then I need to do next transfer. What next transfer will we do? Uh, from warehouse output to the Azure interior. Clear? Again, it won't change. If I go here and type it, then it's still in the ready state from output to the customer location. It has to go from the output to the customer location. Then I will validate and type here. Done. Clear? Two-step is clear. Two-step outgoing shipment is clear. Both. Praveen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Now again I will go to the like 3-step. I will go for the 3-step. Then again go to the inventory and here you go to the configuration warehouses microma campus and click it here. We are receiving in the 1 step and we are sending out to the 3 steps. Clear? Then again yeah, let me create the sales order again. One more sales order. Then customer is Gemini Furniture. This time again laptop and 10 laptop. Let's say. Yeah. Confirm order. If I confirm order, then one delivery slip is created. That if you see here, it was already in the stock. Yeah, it was already in the stock. So sales order is not created, and this then no 8. This is 7. It's sorry. 7 paste 7 8. Yeah. From stock to the
Packing zone.
packing zone. Yeah. To the validate from stock to the packing zone. If you go to the delivery, paste, sorry, paste 8. Yeah. This is done from stock to the packing zone. Then from packing to the output. Then next transfer, validate and refresh here. Paste it. This is done from packing to the output. Third step is from output to the customer is left. Then next transfer from output to the customer, validate and check it here. It done. All three steps are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to mapping it all by yourself. If you are facing any problem, then let me know. Again, this 3 step will come in manufacturing also. If I show you,
Yeah, ma'am, I'm having a problem with it.
what?
Like, I don't have it. That option.
Can you share? Let me stop sharing. Can you share your and share your screen?
I don't think I can share my screen here.
Okay. Can you do tomorrow morning? Are you available for? I mean, tomorrow for 15 to 20 minutes in the beginning of the class?
I think just
Tomorrow,
Sandeep need to change his settings only.
Yeah. Setting is his system setting need to be checked. Only that if you are available
yeah, ma'am, you
tomorrow.
can just show me your setting, then I can just see from there which is missing from
Ma'am,
mine.
at first I too don't have that, but while running on the class, I just changed my settings there. Main menu, go to settings and search in the search bar the warehouse settings. There you can see the shipments and the manufacture shipments and storage. Just click the 2 boxes there. You will get this warehouse configurations in the warehouses.
Yeah, here. Storage location and multi-step routes.
Are you sharing screen?
Oh, it's not sure. I'm sorry. Storage location, cross check is these two: storage location and multi-step routes.
Ah, okay. Yeah, ma'am, got it.
Cross. Any doubt apart from this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow you won't be Sai. Sorry, Praveen.
Yeah, ma'am.
Do I need to take another class on the inventory, or you will explain from Sai everything?
I will explain to him.
Okay. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, then you can ping me between 4 to 6. I will check and resolve the doubts. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.